Welcome.
Today in the life of a tennis player.
Step 1. You need to get some comfortable clothes so you can have agility and move comfortably on the court. That feels much better.
Second is the warm-up.
You must do 20 of each exercise 15 times. Okay, now switch to
Okay, the wrist workout.
The most phenomenal time in our history. Why is it important to you? That's the story we must tell. Forward says join Grace April 16th.
Misha, why don't you do this?
Nah, it's good.
One 150 singles, 50 doubles. Here's how you do the singles.
If you take a look at what I'm doing here,
You can do it on 2 feet.
I'm kind of
To
going
work out
straight
each
up.
individual foot,
That's how
you
you're
can
gonna
do it on
When
one
you go
foot.
straight up with your body, your heels want to come up. So
And
you
the
want
doubles.
weight
This is what the doubles.
more on the balls
This is
of
what
your
the
feet.
doubles
You
mean.
want the weight on your heels. So if you put your bum back further and you
Time for training with the racket.
The essential equipment for tennis is a tennis ball and a tennis racket. You must have a new tennis ball that is not worn out, and a good tennis racket with not dry strings, and preferably with a damper to absorb the vibration of the hit. And preferably a good overgrip for not having any blisters.
First, we'll do some agility drills, like suicides. So, the serve is one of the most important parts of the game, because without a serve, you will lose. So let's begin. When you serve, you have to place your feet parallel and diagonal to the line. So one foot is on the line, not over the line, and the other is a little parallel, never to the line. What you're going to do is you're going to have your feet bent when you serve. When you serve, your feet must be bent. You throw up the ball high above you. If you do not like to throw, let it go and throw again. Above you. Okay? What you do next is when you throw, you bend, lean back, and your arm must be bent, hit, snap your wrist, follow through. Here, I'll do it slowly. That is what a serve will look like slowly. Fast. Now, the second serve is also very difficult, because if you miss your first serve, you must have an easy second serve that you know will go in so you don't lose a point. you should put a spin on your second serve. So when you throw up, you do everything the same, move back, but you will spin the ball like that. So slowly, that's a spin.
Opponent returns the ball, you obviously have to hit it back. So here's a basic stroke of a forehand. So when the ball comes over, you keep your racket back so you have some time to swing the ball. So when it comes, you have to follow through, put some spin, and follow through back, and bang your knees. So this is how it looks like, slowly. Now, I'll show you a fast way of having some spin. When you hit it fast, you have to keep your swing here, really West Continental grip, and then you have to close the racket here and spin and follow through really fast, so like this. When the other side of the stroke is a backhand. Here I'll show you two ways of hitting a backhand. The first one is the most basic one. It's a two-handed backhand. It's the same thing as a forehand. When the ball comes, you have to follow through back. Line your feet. And follow through fast over here to get some spin. Here, I'll show you a demonstration. This was basic spin backhand.
Now we're on to the volleys. Volleys are usually done up close to the net. If you have to run up, here's the net for example, and hit something, you have to be ready to volley because you're not going to have time to run back. The grip for a volley, you have basically a V shape on your hand. You put your hand, your indent here on the head sign, and then you touch your thumb with your middle finger. And what you're going to do is you put it on an incline, and you basically just get the ball to touch it. You don't swing at all. All you do is you run up to the net after you hit a strong shot. Wait. Start again. Pause.